Don't say, today is cleaning day. Don't say, today is cleaning day. Say, time to roll up my sleeves. Say, time to roll up my sleeves. Don't say, I will clean the house. Don't say, I will clean the house. Say, time to tackle this place. Say, time to tackle this place. Don't say, the house is very messy. Don't say, the house is very messy. Say, this place is a total mess. Say, this place is a total mess. Don't say, I don't want to clean. Don't say, I don't want to clean. Say, I really don't feel like cleaning today. Say, I really don't feel like cleaning today. Don't say, I will start cleaning now. Don't say, I will start cleaning now. Say, time to get this cleaning started. Say, time to get this cleaning started. Don't say, I sweep the floor. Don't say, I sweep the floor. Say, let me sweep this up. Say, let me sweep this up. Don't say, I find old things. Don't say, I find old things. Say, look at all this old stuff. Say, look at all this old stuff. Don't say, I will throw this away. Don't say, I will throw this away. Say, this is going straight in the trash. Say, this is going straight in the trash. Don't say, I organize my desk. Don't say, I organize my desk. Say, my desk really needs some order. Say, my desk really needs some order. Don't say, I clean the windows. Don't say, I clean the windows. Say, let me wipe down these windows. Say, let me wipe down these windows. Don't say, the windows are dirty. Don't say, the windows are dirty. Say, you can't even see through these windows. Say, you can't even see through these windows. Don't say, I wash the dishes. Don't say, I wash the dishes. Say, let me get these dishes done. Say, let me get these dishes done. Don't say, the sink is full. Don't say, the sink is full. Say, there are dishes everywhere in the sink. Say, there are dishes everywhere in the sink. Don't say, I clean the bathroom. Don't say, I clean the bathroom. Say, time to scrub the bathroom. Say, time to scrub the bathroom. Don't say, the cleaning is taking long. Don't say, the cleaning is taking long. Say, I've been at this for hours. Say, I've been at this for hours. Don't say, I open the window. Don't say, I open the window. Say, let's get some air in here. Say, let's get some air in here. Don't say, the air feels fresh. Don't say, the air feels fresh. Say, ah, that's some fresh air. Say, ah, that's some fresh air. Don't say, I vacuum the carpet. Don't say, I vacuum the carpet. Say, let me run the vacuum real quick. Say, let me run the vacuum real quick. Don't say, I dust the shelves. Don't say, I dust the shelves. Say, look how dirty these shelves are. Say, look how dirty these shelves are. Don't say, I find my keys. Don't say, I find my keys. Say, oh look, my missing keys. Say, oh look, my missing keys. Don't say, I found them while cleaning. Don't say, I found them while cleaning. Say, I can't believe I found these while cleaning. Say, I can't believe I found these while cleaning. Don't say, I do the laundry. Don't say, I do the laundry. Say, let me throw in a load of laundry. Say, let me throw in a load of laundry. Don't say, I fold clothes. Don't say, I fold clothes. Say, time to fold this pile of clothes. Say, time to fold this pile of clothes. Don't say, there are too many clothes. Don't say, there are too many clothes. Say, this pile just keeps growing. Say, this pile just keeps growing. Don't say, cleaning is wearing me out. Don't say, cleaning is wearing me out. Say, I have no energy left. Say, I have no energy left. Don't say, I take a break from cleaning. Don't say, I take a break from cleaning. Say, I need to stop for a bit. Say, I need to stop for a bit. Don't say, I drink water. Don't say, I drink water. Say, let me grab some water before more cleaning. Say, let me grab some water before more cleaning. Don't say, I feel ready to clean again. Don't say, I feel ready to clean again. Say, alright, back at it. Say, alright, back at it. Don't say, I clean the last room. Don't say, I clean the last room. Say, just one room left to go. Say, just one room left to go. Don't say, I am almost done cleaning. Don't say, I am almost done cleaning. Say, just one more minute in this room. Say, just one more minute in this room. Don't say, I mop the floor. Don't say, I mop the floor. Say, let me mop this floor real quick. Say, let me mop this floor real quick. Don't say, the floor looks clean. Don't say, the floor looks clean. Say, wow, look at that shine. Say, wow, look at that shine. Don't say, I take out the trash. Don't say, I take out the trash. Say, this trash needs to go, now. Say, this trash needs to go, now. Don't say, the trash bag is heavy. Don't say, the trash bag is heavy. Say, this bag weighs a ton. Say, this bag weighs a ton. Don't say, I clean the kitchen counter. Don't say, I clean the kitchen counter. Say, let me wipe down the counter. Say, let me wipe down the counter. Don't say, it smells fresh now. Don't say, it smells fresh now. Say, this place smells so fresh now. Say, this place smells so fresh now. Don't say, I put things back. Don't say, I put things back. Say, let me put everything back in place. Say, let me put everything back in place. Don't say, the house looks nice. Don't say, the house looks nice. Say, this place is looking sharp now. Say, this place is looking sharp now. Don't say, a clean house makes me happy. Don't say, a clean house makes me happy. Say, there's nothing like a clean house. Say, there's nothing like a clean house. Don't say, I sit down to rest. Don't say, I sit down to rest. Say, time to relax in my clean house. Say, time to relax in my clean house. Don't say, I organize the closet. Don't say, I organize the closet. Say, let me sort out the closet real quick. Say, let me sort out the closet real quick. Don't say, I clean the mirror. Don't say, I clean the mirror. Say, let me wipe down this mirror real quick. Say, let me wipe down this mirror real quick. Don't say, I am shocked at the result. Don't say, I am shocked at the result. Say, wait, this house looks amazing now. Say, wait, this house looks amazing now. Don't say, I look around the house. Don't say, I look around the house. Say, let me take a look around. Say, let me take a look around. Don't say, the whole house looks great. Don't say, the whole house looks great. Say, everything's come together nicely. Say, everything's come together nicely. Don't say, I feel proud of my clean house. Don't say, I feel proud of my clean house. Say, I'm really proud of this clean house. Say, I'm really proud of this clean house. Don't say, I look at the kitchen. Don't say, I look at the kitchen. Say, wait, hold on a second. Say, wait, hold on a second. Don't say, I forgot the kitchen. Don't say, I forgot the kitchen. Say, I totally skipped the kitchen. Say, I totally skipped the kitchen. Don't say, I will clean it tomorrow. Don't say, I will clean it tomorrow. Say, guess that's a job for tomorrow. Say, guess that's a job for tomorrow.